Hey, it's Gordon. Welcome to the bench. And as you can see, we're not at the bench, we're in the house. So either I have permission to be in the house or my wife is not here. So, okay, she's here. We're gonna do this. I have something to unbox today. I'm just gonna get right to it. I'll spare you all the conversation. This is gonna be super amazing to me. I hope it's super amazing to you, but I've been holding my breath waiting for this one, so let's jump right into it. You know me as Rosewood Guy, and so I will tell you at least that much. We're gonna unbox some rosewood. I don't know who packed it, but I do know what's in the box. There's our receipt. And super cool, super fun stuff. Very well packed. Let's set these right out just as they were acquired. Maybe we could zoom in a little bit. I did buy these at auction. I'm not a big collector. These kind of fall into the collectible category. They're not for sale. I'm gonna hold on to them, admire them, and use these in my work. But let's start with our first box. Steve Pender, if you're watching, this is what I was joking about. I told you I bought something in the box, which I own very few. These are original Stanley totes, and they are stunningly beautiful. And these are not rosewood, as you can tell by the box. These are wood. It doesn't really say what they are, but we have the entire family. There are 6 in the box. Super fun. I'm not gonna take them all out of there, but this would be one of the later style boxes with the yellow pasteboard. And so we'll just put the top back on it and set that right there. Love those. Of course, I'm gonna spend some time with this and enjoy having original, uncut, unrepaired, undamaged totes in my reach. Now, for my next trick, without cutting the box, this too is original Stanley totes. Auctioneer. And this one, woo woo, I love that, tropical wood. So there's the box, and these have my name on them. Also have an original hardware store price tag where somebody's already priced them for resale. And as you can imagine, they're super expensive. Whenever they were for sale, they were $1. And these are Brazilian rosewood Stanley totes, and these fit a number of different planes. And all the information is on the bottom of the box, and it has a little chart on the box too, which I find super helpful. So these are also, we got a little mix in there, so there's some variety. So this guy may not have belonged. It's different. Yep, a little different. So we'll spend some time with that. But there again, an original box in amazing, amazing shape, I think. And I don't know how to judge a box, but let's do another one. What do we have? Box number 3. I'll put some information on the screen that explains a little bit more about the models. This one I found particularly interesting because it is the smaller handles. And again, we have a full box, 6 only, tropical wood, for use on planes 3, 3C, 4, 4C, 5 1/4, 5 1/4C, and a whole list of all sorts of fun stuff. A whole list of things they fit. Beautiful, original finish. No breaks, no chips, no broken horns. A little bit of diversity going on here. There's some different shapes. We'll sort that out. But I thought you might enjoy seeing something super cool. Looks like they just mixed them up a little bit. There's that guy. We will spend some time with these. We'll compare it to some of the original Stanley drawings, and we'll try and date them as well with the help of some of the experts out there. But this is the most, not that I'm counting, but this is by far the largest quantity of original rosewood totes that I've ever seen in one spot. I'm not saying it's by any stretch of the imagination bigger than anybody's collection or more than what someone has. I'm just saying, for me personally, I'm lucky to have ever picked up one that was without damage or without some kind of wear, much less to have this in front of me. So I am super excited. I hope that you found this unboxing fun, and I hope that you will follow along with my channel. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, and lots more to come. And I really do have one more video that's going to be amazing. And I know I've already dropped the word out there what it's about, so I'm waiting for that one to get its approval. And once it is, it's going to be out there. So thanks for watching.